My love, the weight of ruling this kingdom grows heavier each day, but your strength gives me courage.
David, my king, it is your heart that brings me peace.
Now, this is how you create this Bible animated story step by step. First, you need to write your script. For those of you that doesn't know how to write your script, we are going to start with that first. And to write your script, you are going to be using ChatGPT to do this. You can also use Google Gemini to write your script. So you are going to open up ChatGPT and you are going to enter your prompt. You are going to give a brief description of what you are trying to achieve. For example, you are trying to create a story about Adam and Eve in the Garden of Eden, or about the story of Samson. So you are going to come to the text area here and type in, write a story about the story of Samson in the Bible. If you are looking for a dialogue kind of story, then you are going to add that to your text. Just like the video you saw in the beginning of this video. If this was the prompt I used to write my script, King David talking to his wife and his wife responding back, give me a short dialogue between them. I was able to get this short script. So now, after getting your script, you will come down and then you ask the AI to give you an AI image prompt for each scene. Then I was able to get my AI prompt to generate the images for each of my scene. Then after that, I asked the ChatGPT to generate that image for me. But what I got was not encouraging. So this is a kind of image you are going to get using ChatGPT. I'm going to show you another website which we are going to use to generate high quality image for our story. This is the image I got from ChatGPT, so I don't like this. Now, to generate this image, what we are going to do is to copy the prompt that we have just gotten, and then we'll head over to Leonardo AI. So we'll be using Leonardo AI to generate our image. After signing in, then you need to come here and paste in your prompt. When you paste in your prompt, another thing you need to do is to come here where you see prompt enhance, leave it on auto, then style, leave it on 3D render. For the contrast, leave it the way it is, then come down. We'll select 16:9 because that's the aspect ratio we are going for. I'll provide this prompt for you. If you need the prompt, let me know in the comment section of this video and I will send the prompt to you. Go ahead to click on generate, and after that you are going to get this quality of image. So you can see how good the quality of the Leonardo AI image is. This is the image that we have gotten. So after this, we are going to generate our second image, which was this lady's image. So we have gotten the image now. Same process, generate your image. And after generating your image, you need to come down and click on this download button to download this image. After getting all your image, this is the sweetest part, and you need to pay attention to this part because now we are going to animate our image. And to animate our image, we are going to be using this particular website. This website is called Litvideo. This website gives you access to text to video, image to video, video to animation, AI animation. Then you can also create music according to the kind of mood that you're looking for. I'm going to show you all that in this video. Let's go ahead to generate our video. Now you need to come to this website, then you click on try for free, and then you sign in with your Google account. Now we are going to be using the image to video effect on this website to animate our image, and then we add lip sync to that image. Now click on image to video, and from here you are going to upload your image that you want to animate. From here, let's just animate the first image. When the image is done uploading, then you need to come to the prompt area here. So for this prompt area, what we are going to be entering is what we want to achieve with this image. As for this image, what I want to achieve is talking. So we want this character to talk, so that's what I want to achieve. Then from here, you need to come down. We are not going to be using the auto sound. We will make use of the lip sync. So enable the lip sync, and from here you need to paste in what you want this character to say. And from here we'll go to our ChatGPT, and from my script we are going to copy the first dialogue whereby King David was talking. So we'll copy that, and then we'll go back to the website, and inside the lip sync area here we need to paste in what we just copied. So after you paste in that, then you need to scroll down, and from here you select the AI voice character you want to use. Just click on it, and then you can click on this play button to listen to how each of these voices sounds like.
With time, I've gained wisdom from experience.
So that's how this sounds like. You can check another one.
I believe every effort brings a new.
If you like that, for this I'll be using William because the kind of character I'm going for is an old man character. So I'll select the William. After that, you need to come down and select your duration. So for this duration, I'll select 8 seconds. Then I'll select 720 resolution. Then from here, you need to come down, then click on generate. And after some few minutes, we have our video ready. So let's just play this video.
The weight of ruling this I love. The weight of ruling this kingdom grows heavier each day, but your strength gives me courage. How do you find peace amidst?
So that's our video. We have just gotten our video now, so you can see how cool and realistic that video is. The next thing we need to do is to download this video, and then we are going to go ahead to animate our next image. So let me just quickly go ahead to animate our next image. So you are going to come over here where you see this cancel button, click on that, and that first image will be removed. Click on the upload again, and we are going to upload our second image, which is this lady. So click on open. So this lady is David's wife. So we are going to upload this image now. Here the image has been uploaded. So what we are going to achieve again is same token. So we are going to come down, and then we'll paste in what we want this lady to be saying. So go to ChatGPT, and from here we'll copy our second prompt, which is the wife. So from here we are going to copy this text, then we'll go back to the Litvideo AI. So we'll paste in what we want to achieve. So for this, we are going to select another voice. We are not going to be using a male voice again for this. We'll go for a female voice. So let's check a female voice on this website. Let's select Patricia. So select the voice. Then we'll come down here and we'll click on create. And after some few minutes, we have our video ready. Let's play this video so we'll see how the video looks like.
David, my king, it is your heart that brings me peace. Remember, even in storms, our love is the anchor.
So we have gotten our video. From here, we'll click on the download option again to download our video. Now, after animating your video, we need to add background music under our video as we are going to be editing our video. It is hard to find the right background music that you can add under your video without copyright. So we are going to be using this particular website to generate AI background music that we can add under our video. And to do that, we need to come over to the website homepage. Then where you see lead music, click on that. Once you click on that, you need to come over here. So instead of using the lyrics to music, we are going to click on this particular option, click on that, and we are going to give a description of what we want to get. So for this, we are looking for a calm background music. So what we are going to write here is calm. Instead of having a music, what we are going to be having, we want to get an instrumental. So we don't want to have a music of someone singing. So instead of a music, we are going to enable instrumental. So click on that to enable that. Then after that, you will come down here and click on create. So from here, you can click on this play option to listen to how this audio sounds like. That is the first one. Let's listen to the second one. You can see how cool this music is. So you can click on these three dots to download the music. Now, after downloading this music, we are going to combine the music and the animated video we generated together to have a full video. And to do this, we'll be using CapCut. So open CapCut or any video editor that you have. You can also use Canva for this. So click on create a project, and then from here go to media, and then here click on import. Then select the music you generated, then select the AI animated video you also generated, and then click on open. Now we need to add this video down to this timeline, and to do that, click on the video, then drag it to the timeline. Now we have our first video. Now we need to add the second video also to the timeline. We have our second video. Let's play this video and see how the video looks like.
I love. The weight of ruling this kingdom grows heavier each day, but your strength gives me courage.
David, my king, it is your heart that brings me peace. Remember, even in storms, our love is the anchor.
So you can see we have just gotten our video. So the next thing we are going to do, you can add auto caption to this video, and then you finalize your video. After that, then you export your video, and this is how you create this animated video using AI. I'll leave the link down in the description and also in the comment section of this video to the website which I mentioned in this video. Thank you guys for watching. I will see you in my next video.